Hello everyone and welcome to the I literally haven't filmed my face like this in a month channel, and so I'm gonna be looking at myself a lot because I'm not used to this. So if you haven't seen the vlog I put up 2 weeks ago, my hair is shorter now and a little bit blonder. Ooh, those are looking a bit stripey. So today I have kind of a fun video. I feel like I did one of these a really long time ago. I used to love watching these. I kind of still love watching these. Also, other update is I got a new chair. It's what you're here for, and the title of this video is we're gonna do a little Lush haul because I made an order from Lush. I have nothing else to say other than that. The packaging always is very nice. I love Lush's branding. I love Lush's ethics. They're like my dream job, my dream company to work for. In Vancouver, Lush, call me if you need me. I'm here for you. Let's go ahead and hop into things. If you haven't seen the newest boxes, I'll tell you how to recycle and reuse everything. And I think the packing peanuts are edible still. I'm not gonna eat it, but I've ate them in the past because I think they're made of potato starch. Yeah, biodegradable. Smells nice. Fun start. So there were a few products I wanted for my hair, and then I also wanted stuff for my body. So again, first thing I see something. This is my third time repurchasing this beautiful friend. It's Hushui and Wen Hua. There I go, not being able to pronounce things all the time. This is a protein-based hair treatment, and so I use this maybe every other week whenever my hair is feeling like it needs a little bit extra, especially because I now color my hair, bleaching it, so I want to make sure I'm taking care of it. Alright, and the next thing is in another container. So this is, I guess I should talk about the smell, shouldn't I? That would be polite of me. So this smells like chai tea, in my opinion, like a chai tea latte. Like kind of spicy and creamy, and it definitely has like a not super thick creamy consistency. I like the way this smells. My hair always smells really nice after I use it. It smells like a latte. And then I also got Marilyn, which I've never used before, but this is a hair treatment that's for blondes who want brighter hair, and I'm hoping that this might help with keeping my hair from being too brassy. Ooh, smells interesting. Ooh, and is very liquidy. Oh, I did not mean to pour that out. But yeah, just kind of like a creamy consistency. I don't know how to describe the smell. Like nondescript Lush scent. Can I say that? Like nothing in particular. Doesn't necessarily smell fantastic, but I've definitely smelled worse things from Lush, which I feel like is mean of me to say, but like when they had the product that was for dandruff, that there was like a bar, it smelled so bad. That was so long ago though. Some vintage Mary Lush lore. Okay, so now we have, I didn't remember ordering this, but I'm assuming I did. Oh. Yes, okay, this is the Yog Nog Log, which is a bubble bath bar, yeah. And it's kind of like vanilla and like nutmeg scented. Very Christmassy. Maybe a little bit of like cinnamon in there too. I didn't remember ordering that, but I guess that I did. Ooh, I got, oh yeah, okay. So I got a bath oil. They have a lot of these now. I haven't tried any of them yet, but you just put them in your bath. This one is Dreamtime. I'm assuming it's lavender scented. I don't want to take it out of here just in case it gets melty. Oh, it's supposed to be a Z. I get it. No. There we go. Oh. Okay. I think I might have got another one of, the Canon. Okay. Ooh, okay, wait. I found my invoice. What did I buy? Let's find out. Okay. Yes, so I did buy the Yog Log. Another thing I bought that I am excited for is the Milky Bar soap. So I have been recently using the, what is it even called? The solid shower cream that they made. It's red and it's Coca-Cola scented. It was a holiday exclusive last year and I really liked it. And I wanted to get another solid shower cream or shower gel, but they didn't have any available in a scent I was really interested in. So I decided to just go with a bar soap. And so can I like slide this out and show you all it and then put it back? Is that going to be feasible? So I decided to go with this one because it's supposed to be moisturizing. Oh, I don't want you to completely come out. But it's shaped like a little milk bottle. And it has just like kind of a herbally and maybe like creamy scent. I like that. It's just kind of plain. It's not like over the top any one scent, which I kind of like because I find myself really sensitive to smell. And if something is like, makes me feel too sleepy, I'll be tired, or if it's like too citrusy, I don't want to use it at night because I'm afraid it'll make me feel woken up, which I think is like just me one problem, but yes. I think I have, okay, I got 2 of these because I was enthusiastic about the concept because I like taking baths before I go to bed. And then last but not least, this is the one Halloween thing I got. This is the Ectoplasm Solid Perfume. I like solid perfumes because I can throw them in my bag, take them everywhere. My go-to perfume for a while now has been Glossier's You. I use it every day now. It's basically my favorite, I gotta say. I really, really like it. But I always like trying new scents. I don't know, I always really want to get into Lush's perfume because again, I'm a big fan of Lush as a company and I'm a big fan of using perfume, so it's like the combination. So this is the Ectoplasm Solid Perfume and it's supposed to smell citrusy and like grapefruity, so in my heart. Oh my god, this smells so good. It's just like slicing into a grapefruit. It smells so nice and it's also this like bright green color. Okay, I want to put this on right now because I want to smell like this. Says the girl who's like, I don't want to put on citrus stuff before I go to bed and films in the evening because Monday. Oh, that's really nice. It is just like grapefruit, citrus, pow, but in like the most delightful way. I think I'm going to put this in my bag and I'm going to try and use it on days when I work out at the gym and want to smell like, ugh, a delicious, delicious Sour Patch Kid citric acid party. I just got these earrings and I can't decide if I like them or not. They're a bit of an odd look with my fleece. Alright, so that's everything I got. Again, I don't like, I mean, that was kind of a lot for me. I tend to only try and shop at Lush during their sale season, which is right after Christmas, so I end up like trying a lot of their Christmas products because those are all that go on sale. But yeah, I've just really enjoyed using their hair products. I really, really wish they would make a solid shampoo bar that was sulfate free for curly hair. Lush, if you're out there, if you can hear me, I know you know that we really want this. I heard they have a lot of new shampoo bars in the Lush kitchen, which is exciting, but at the same time, if they still contain sulfates, then it's kind of like, oh, I still don't want to use these. I am currently using Diva Curl products, and I feel like now is not a prime example of my hair. This is second day. It looks okay. It's also just been up all day though. Let me talk to you about my hair more. Also, this lighting is just like so bright. Maybe I should try filming in completely non-natural lighting more often because like this isn't bad. It's also just, yeah, I like wanted to decorate my desk for Halloween and then I didn't film like at all during October. I don't know what happened. I also like low-key dreamed of doing a video every day in October. Like I had planned that in September. I was like, this is what you're posting every day, and I was like, maybe not actually. I have finals. What are those? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you would like to see more, and I will see you all next time. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright. Bye-bye.